Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know security is key. Today, we're tackling a super important topic: how to withdraw your USDC from Kraken to your Ledger Nano X. This step-by-step guide will help you move your funds safely and efficiently, whether you're a beginner or a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Ledger Nano X is all set up. If you haven't already, install the Ethereum app on your Ledger since USDC is an ERC20 token. Open the Ethereum app on your device and get your wallet address ready. Double-check it because accuracy is crucial to avoid any mishaps. Next, log into your Kraken account. Head over to the Withdraw section, which you can find in the account dashboard. Once there, select USDC as the currency you want to withdraw. Kraken might ask for two-factor authentication, so have that handy to keep things secure. Now, for the exciting part, enter your Ledger Nano X wallet address. Copy it directly from your Ledger device to prevent any typos. You'll also need to specify the amount of USDC you want to withdraw. Remember to leave enough for network fees, which can vary based on Ethereum's gas prices in 2025. After that, review all the details carefully. Check the address, amount, and fees one more time. Hit confirm, and Kraken will process your withdrawal. This might take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on network congestion. Once the transaction is complete, verify it on your Ledger Nano X. Open the Ethereum app, and you should see your USDC balance updated. Congrats! You've just secured your assets offline. Wrapping this up, always prioritize security in crypto. Use hardware wallets like Ledger for long-term storage, and never share your private keys. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.